Hey my crafty friends, this is Miss Mesha from the Augusta-Richmond County Public Library, and today I wanted to come to you and show you how to make this cute DIY mini plant hanger. The weather's changing, you may want to add plants to your house, inside or out. This will add a beautiful touch to it. Look at that, isn't that so gorgeous? And today I'm going to show you how to do it. If you haven't already, please follow our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and yes, we have a TikTok. Follow that too. If you're ready to learn how to make this, stay tuned. Now for the project, you will need 6 2mm hemp cords that are approximately 5 feet long. You would also need a smaller piece measuring 30 inches long. The first step is to take all 6 of the cords and folding them evenly in half. Then we're going to make a standard knot. To smooth out the knot, pull each individual cord. Now let's tie our first section. Work in sections of 4. I will tie the knots to make a square knot. Take the rope on the right, cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle, so there's a loop on the right. The left string goes over the right one, then behind the 2 in the middle and through the right loop, then tighten. Next, let's take the rope on the left to go over the 2 in the middle. The right rope goes over the left, behind the 2 in the middle and through the left loop, and then pull it tight. I'm going to be making 10 square knots. So again, take the rope on the left, put it over the rope in the middle. The right rope goes in front of the left rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the left loop, and tie it tight. If you make a mistake, all you have to do is take it apart. We're only tying knots, so it's easy to correct any mistakes you may make. And if you get lost, you can rewind because this is recorded. After we've made our 10 square knots, let's take the 2 ropes on the outside and switch them with the ones in the middle by taking the one in the middle and switching them to the outside. Now we'll be making a spiral design by tying half square knots. So let's take the right rope, cross it over the 2 in the middle, The left rope goes over the right, behind the two in the middle, and through the loop, and tighten. Now we just repeat that step until you get your desired length. Again, take the right rope, place it over the two in the middle. Take the left rope, place it over the right, behind the two in the middle, and through the right loop. And this is how your spiral will look. Once you finish your first section, we will repeat 2 more times to complete our plant hanger, working in sections of 4. So 10 square knots and your desired length of spiral knots. So right over the two in the middle, left over the right, behind the two in the middle, and through the right loop. Then take the left rope, put that rope in front of the two in the middle, take your right rope, put it in front of the left rope, behind the two in the middle, and through the left loop. And continue to do this until you have done 10 square knots. Switch the ropes to create the barrier between the two designs, and then start working with half squares to create your spiral. Now all 3 sections are finished. Now we'll connect all sections together with a square knot. To do this, we're going to take 2 ropes from each section and connect it to the group that is next to it and tie a square knot. And again, to make the square knot, place the right string over the 2 in the middle. Take your left string, place that over the right string, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the right loop. Then you will place your left string over the 2 in the middle. Take your right string, place that over the left string, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the right loop. Now when all of your strings are put together with square knots, you are forming your basket. This is what it should look like. We are forming a basket for the plant to sit inside. You can adjust as needed based on the size of your pot. Now to finish our basket, we're going to tie a gathering knot, wrap the extra string around the gathered string, and cut off the end of the gathered knot. Voila! This is your mini DIY planter hanger. Enjoy!